So my lyrics been a long time waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up, but I tell.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman India and welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a golden opportunity for you guys. If you're searching for a course that have everything, like a powerpack course having Python, JavaScript, Git, SQL, database and everything, like everything you need to learn, okay, you want to introduce from a top university, then I'm bringing you that course. I'm going to introduce you to that course, okay. So today I'm going to introduce you to a CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This course is provided by Harvard University, right? Yeah, right. That Harvard University, this course is provided by, okay? And this course includes everything that you want. It includes Git, HTML, CSS, Flask, SQL, APIs, JavaScript, Django's, servers, and much more, okay? So you are going to have all these things in just one course, and it's totally free. It's totally free, okay? So this course is come with two editions. First is paid edition and second is a free edition, okay? So in paid edition, in free edition, you would be having everything. You would be having each and every modules and everything, but you didn't having that certificate, okay? But if you go with the certification, then you have to pay for that, okay? You would be having same thing, but you would be having certificate to show that I have completed the course from Harvard University, and for that the payment would be $199, and it's nearby 14,000 rupees, more than 14,000 rupees, yeah, for free for certificates. But one more thing, if you didn't want to go for certificate, you're a learner, you want to learn the things, then man, this is a golden opportunity, okay? So this course is provided by mainly these guys, David J. Malin and Carlton Ogden, I didn't know, okay? So with these guys, okay, and the simple thing is that, okay, you have to go for this link. I would be providing this link in the description box. After that, you have to go for take course, go for sign, go for write your credentials in the things, okay, and that's it. You're eligible, man. You would be shifted to this page, okay? Courses by edx courses.edx.organization. This link would be there. This is a platform where you would be learning, okay? And these two guys will be teaching you, okay? I would be providing this video in a link also, so you should get to introduce more about this courses, okay? Basically this course was launched on January 21, I think January 21, 2021, okay? And more information are there if you want to go through this, okay? Django is there, okay? So let me help you about the languages you would be learning and the library you would be learning. First, you would be learning basic HTML, CSS. For web designing, you would be learning over here, okay? So you would be learning HTML, CSS for web designing. Just a moment. For web designing, this is first HTML, CSS for web designing and web development. Basically Git for that version control, for managing things, okay? For like how 4 or 5 members, like how multiple members can be working on the project, that's version control you would be learning. Flask you would be learning. SQL for data servers you would be learning. Databases you would be learning. APIs you would be learning. APIs, so connecting with different pages. JavaScript for web development, again you would be learning. More than Django's you would be learning. Servers you would be learning. Deployment of servers you would be learning, and much more you would be learning. This course is, I said you, this course is just a moment. This course is a, oh, I have to take that green color. I like green color. So this course is a power pack. Oh goodness, sorry. This course is a power pack, totally power pack. This course is a power pack. Yep. So it's all about video. And yeah, one thing more. If you haven't watched my YouTube, going with my YouTube channel, please go over there. There are multiple opportunities for you guys. Just I had started this YouTube channel, There are multiple opportunities like Coursera questions, practice questions are there. I would be giving that questions during the contest. Opportunity section is there where I put everything. I have put it the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, that my experience as a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, Dell Campus Ambassador, check about earning money, JFG questions is there, C++ in 50 minutes. This is really a good video. So please go through my channel, stay connected with me for the further notifications, learnings, opportunities, and like building your career, right? So that's all for this video, and this is all for the video. Best of luck, right? Thank you.
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band, legacies.